Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Becoming coordinated with the social world, the indisputable fact that human infants are enormously dependent on others for their, for their survival may often ask the babies or contribution to the care they receive in infant survival and continue development depend not only on the actions of responsive caregivers but also on infants able to coordinate their actions with those of their caregiver. This ability is essential because caregivers have their own rhythms of life and work cannot always be hovering over their infant, anticipating his or her every need. Most parents, whether they work the land or work in an office, need to sleep at night, and this need is often in direct conflict with the infant sleep and hunger pattern. As a result, parents may attempt to modify their infant pattern of sleeping and feeding so that they will fit into the life pattern of a household and the community. In this and other ways, infants become connected with their social world. The box sleep management, which was a variety of sleeping practices. Sleeping, as with adults, the extent of newborn arousal varies from deep sleep to frantic activities. The pattern of the rest and activity are different from those of the adult. However, particularly in the first week after birth to find out about the range of cycles, newborn and of newborn arousal patterns used to with a variety of methods including direct observation, audio recordings, with the electronic monitoring devices, classic eye movement and muscle activity were observed over the first several weeks following birth. Period of arousal. Units spend more time said hota amount of unit to 20 keep safe one month is only about 10 3 hour increment duration. Skip are more than Americans feeding jiggle portal